What's up, people? So I am back with my another video, guys, and welcome back to our channel Triveni Creations. So in my previously videos मैंने आप लोगों के साथ एक छोटी सी रेसिपी शेयर की थी जो बहुत स्वीट और बहुत टेस्टी है. So if you all haven't watched it yet, link is given in description below. Do check it out. So yes, guys, in this video I'm going to share with you. I'm going to share a small information on Indian handicrafts. So you all know that Indian handicrafts are so much famous in India and also so much famous in abroad also. So I'm going to talk about that. In that, pottery is one of them in Indian handicrafts if we see. So pottery also very famous in India and also in abroad. So I'm going to talk with all about this and going to share with all this information on pottery. So guys, please watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's begin with it. So what is pottery? So pottery basically means it is referred to as something which is made up of clay. When the clay is weighed, it is shaped into various forms to form a finest pieces of pots, sculptures and many other things. It is used for decorative objects and for day-to-day work also. Some of the useful pottery includes like vessels, bowls, dinnerware and crockery. So I have one with me actually. I have one a pottery with me. This which I have in my home. So this is also very beautiful pottery which I used for mostly for cooking purpose. So you can cook in this a very it will give a very good taste. So it's a very beautiful. You can see the shape of this pot. So yeah, I have this beautiful pot with me and you can see it's very beautiful looking. So I have this with me, a pottery in my home. So skilled person who make this beautiful exquisite pottery are known to be potters, whereas the product are to be made, the place where the product is made is known to be potteries. Like all other handicrafts and crafts, the tradition of poetry making in India is very old. Poetry is one of these important mediums through which men have expressed their emotions. For thousands of years, poetry art has been one of the most beautiful form of expression, and a piece of poetry has a visual message in its shape and in its color. A poetry is one of the central of all forms of art. The tradition of handmade pottery is prevailing in India since the time of Harappan civilization. North India is also known for various kinds of pottery designs and ranging from colors like orange, brown, light red in Uttar Pradesh to black and dark red in Himachal Pradesh. In Rajasthan, Bikaner is famous for its painted potteries. Pokhran is famous for its potteries with geometrical patterns, and Alwar for its Kagzi pottery. The blue pottery of Jaipur is also very famous. So now we'll discuss about how the pottery is being created. So we all know that pottery is being created with the help of potter's wheel. So potter's wheels is nothing but it is a machine used for shaping the round ceramic wires, and it is also known as potter's lathe. However, this is a very different kind of machine, basically used for shaping process or turning process. In this pottery making, all sorts of energy that will require to make a piece of pot is supplied directly by the hands of the potters. After them, heating them to highest temperature, which removes all the water from the clay, which lead to permanent changes, including increasing the strength and hardening and setting their shape. Lastly, but not least, I would like to say that the art of poetry is oftentimes described as therapeutic and relaxing. While spinning up the clay, your mind and your body are in natural synergy, wrapped around your creative ambitions and goals. This thoughtful and artistic activity can open up your mind and relieve you of outside worries. So, yes, this is all the information on poetry which comes under Indian handicrafts, which are so much famous as I told earlier. So, hope you all like it, my video, and if you like it, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel, which is Triveni Creations, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share also, and the most important thing, that don't forget to press the bell icon too for more updates from us. And we will come up with new videos on every Monday, guys. So stay tuned with us and do let me know in the comment section below कि आपको ये video कैसा लगा. And also in my next video I'm going to share with you more information and more benefits about this sport. So do subscribe our channel and stay connected with us, guys, and thank you so much for watching my video, and keep showering us lots of love and support, guys. So see you in my next video, guys. See ya.